my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm not gonna share any travel vlog or lifestyle videos. Today it's gonna be a cooking video. So today's topic is dinner under 30 minutes. So yes, it's possible. I know we are all living quite a busy life. You all are living with lots of responsibilities in home and in office. So the thing is, Monday to Fridays, as we are so busy, so I have come up with some ideas that we can prepare dinner which can be delicious and quick and easy at the same time, and that can be prepared under 30 minutes. Yes, it's possible. So there will be 3 non-vegetarian meal planning. One with chicken, one with fish, and one with egg. So it's going to be a series. Probably in the next weekend I'm going to share vegetarian meal planning ideas under 30 minutes dinner planning. So today let's start. So for my first recipe, let's see the ingredients first. First of all, there is some chicken, some vegetables like potatoes, carrots, beans, and green bell pepper, and then chopped onion, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, few dry spices, and 1 piece of lemon, and then black pepper powder. So that's all I need for my chicken curry and rice. Marinate the chicken pieces. Here I will marinate my chicken with all the dry spices and ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, and onion. So here I want to let you share one tip that if you have some time in the morning or in the afternoon, you can definitely marinate your chicken, and then it will just reduce your cooking time, and it will be really very helpful, especially whenever you are in a hurry. But today I'm gonna make my chicken curry just like that. I don't have that much time today. I'm making it as a very quick chicken curry recipe. So here I am marinating it, and right after the marination I'll start the cooking process. So after the marination, my chicken looks like this. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt as well in this marination. So okay, let's start. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I have added all the cut vegetables, and I'm gonna saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. I have added little turmeric in my vegetables. So now it's time to add the marinated chicken into these fried vegetables, and I'm gonna cook it for 5 minutes more, and then I'll put it into the pressure cooker. Look at this, it looks gorgeous. Little bit of black pepper powder in my chicken. And I have added 1½ cup of water into my chicken, and I have added some kasuri methi for the extra flavor. So my chicken is all set into the pressure cooker. So now I'll cover the lid. It's absolutely ready. Just now I have opened the lid. I have waited for 1 whistle, and then I have put it in a rest, and my rice is also ready. So my dinner is completely. So my vitamin, protein, and mineral packed dinner is completely ready. Super quick, easy, delicious, and really very healthy at the same time. So some rice and chicken curry with lots of veggies and freshly cut salad. So let's enjoy the dinner. So now moving into the second dinner idea, and for today's recipe I have decided to make mixed vegetable pulao and egg omelette curry. So let's see the ingredients. So first of all, I have soaked 1½ cup of basmati rice, and then I have beaten 3 eggs, and I already have added little bit of salt, and then chopped tomatoes, and then there is cut onion, and then red chili, spring onion, and ginger garlic paste. And here are some dry spices: coriander, turmeric, and red chili powder, and carrot, yellow bell pepper, and then beans and red bell pepper. So these are the ingredients. So now let's add black pepper powder and some onion one by one into my beaten egg, and let's give it a good mix. So first thing, I'm gonna make my egg omelette. My egg omelette pan into another oven, and in the first oven I'm gonna prepare my vegetable pulao. So for that, in the rice cooker vessel I have added 1 tablespoon of oil and little bit of ghee. So now it's time to add all the cut vegetables into the hot oil one by one. So I have added beans, carrots, bell peppers, and now look at this. It looks so colorful and so vibrant. So my vegetable looks absolutely ready. Now it's time to add the soaked rice. So we need to give it a good mix after adding the rice. And then I will add a turmeric powder and some garam masala powder one by one. It will need just this kind of basic spices. We will not add any extra spice or any extra ingredients into this vegetable pulao. So it will be really ready within just 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to add the water. Here I am adding 2.5 cup of water because I have taken almost 1.5 cup of rice. So here I am using the same cup which I have used to measure my rice. So you just need to be very careful while you are adding the water. So while my vegetable pulao is getting ready into the rice cooker, now it's time to start making egg omelette curry. So I have added 1 tablespoon of oil into this pan, and then I have added ginger garlic paste and chopped onion, and now I am sauteing it. The paste looks absolutely ready. I have already added some tomatoes into my ginger garlic and onion paste. So now it's time to add some water. Here I am adding 1 cup of water. So now after 2-3 minutes, I have added my omelette pieces into this curry. So now my omelette curry looks like absolutely ready. Now it's time to add few bay leaves. These tricks actually I have learned from my mom. My mom always tells that in this way you can definitely enhance the flavor of your dish. Wow, look at this. My vegetable pulao is also absolutely ready to be served. It looks colorful, vibrant, yummy and super delicious. So the thing is, with the soaked rice, you can make this vegetable pulao with just 15 minutes. Yeah, my dinner is ready. Look at this. My vegetable pulao, absolutely healthy and delicious. Then egg omelette curry. And I have made some raita. And some cut onion, lemon and 2 pieces of green chili, and I have roasted these peppers. So yes, delicious dinner is ready. So now moving into the third and last dinner idea. So for today's recipe, I have decided to make whole wheat tortilla wraps with salmon fish and veggie stuffing. So I have taken tortilla wraps, whole wheat wraps, and then chopped tomatoes, coriander, chopped onion, some lemon, and then green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and then freshly cut salmon pieces. And there is taco seasoning. I have taken it from a Mexican store, and then chili garlic mayonnaise, and then there is a dip, black pepper powder, salt, and there is Dijon mustard. So okay, these are the ingredients, so let's start. Menu, and today's menu is very simple. I already showed you my ingredients. So okay, let's get started. It will take, I think, less than 30 minutes. So it's really very tasty, very easy and super quick recipe. So come on. So in the first step, I am sauteing the salmon pieces. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil in the hot pan, and then I have added my salmon pieces, and now I am sauteing it. So now I am adding tricolor bell pepper one by one into my salmon pieces, and then I'll give it a good mix. Now look at this. It looks so colorful, so vibrant. And then I'm adding little bit of black pepper powder and taco seasoning. I'll need just a little more. Little bit of salt and give it a good mix. And now I am adding little bit of tomato ketchup and then lemon juice. Both actually give lots of flavor into the dish, and it looks like almost ready. So my stuffing is completely ready. Look at this. I have made it within just 10 minutes. So now I'll keep it aside. So now it's time to warm up the tortilla wraps. You can definitely warm it up in the microwave. Now the fun part begins. I just love to make my wraps this way. So what I do, I have arranged everything, all the ingredients in my dining table, and then I start making the wraps. So here you can see I'm spreading all the dips one by one into my wrap, and then it's time to add some tomatoes, some onion, little bit of coriander and some lettuce that I didn't show you before, and then some rock salt. Whatever is available, whatever spice mixes you have in your home, you just need to add everything. And now it's time to add the main stuffing. So now look at this, my quick and easy dinner, and this dinner absolutely I have made within 20 minutes. Yes, it's even less than 30 minutes. So let's enjoy my dinner. Hi everyone, so yes, my dinner is completely ready. As you have seen that I made my dinner within just 15 to 20 minutes. This wrap especially, it takes just no time to prepare. So it's a very healthy choice of dinner as well, because I have made my tortilla wrap with whole wheat bread, so it's more tasty and more healthy. And here is some fruit juice. We are not taking any Coke or any Pepsi or any kind of soft drink, so we are having just fruit juice. So okay, I hope you have enjoyed 3 of my recipes. Please try it out in your home and let me know that how you like it, and I will be back with all lots of other recipes, weekend vlogs, daily vlogs and travel videos. So please stay tuned with my channel. I love you all. Those people who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friends. So okay, tata, bye bye, see you guys in my next video. Tata. So yes, that was everything for today's topic, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed. So now it's time for us to enjoy the meal. So please stay happy, stay healthy, stay productive. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, next